Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P1841-00 indicates a malfunction in the continuously variable transmission CVT speed sensor circuit related to reverse rotation range. This sensor plays a crucial role in the vehicle's performance by monitoring the speed of the secondary shaft within the CVT. When the detected voltage level from the CVT speed sensor does not match the expected driving condition, the Transmission Control Module, TCM, identifies this discrepancy as an issue, leading to the storage of this diagnostic trouble code. This indicates that the vehicle might experience problems when attempting to reverse, affecting drivability and safety. Understanding the implications of this code is essential for accurate diagnosis and repair, as it directly impacts transmission performance. The complexity of modern vehicles like the Honda CR-V necessitates a thorough approach to troubleshooting using the appropriate diagnostic tools to ensure all systems operate harmoniously. The CVT speed sensor is a pivotal component that monitors the speed of the secondary shaft in a continuously variable transmission, CVT. Typically located near the CVT assembly, it measures the rotational speed and sends this data to the Transmission Control Module, TCM. The TCM utilizes this information to optimize gear shifting and overall transmission performance. When the vehicle is in reverse, this sensor ensures the system recognizes the correct rotational direction, facilitating smooth operation. If the input from the CVT speed sensor is abnormal, it can result in erratic shifting patterns, particularly during reverse operation. Thus, the sensor's accuracy is crucial for the TCM to convey appropriate commands to the transmission system. One possible cause of DTC P1841 could be a faulty CVT speed sensor itself. This sensor could be compromised by wear and tear, leading to erroneous readings that the TCM interprets as an issue. Another potential cause may involve wiring issues, such as frayed wires or poor connections that disrupt the signal transmitted from the CVT speed sensor to the TCM. These wiring issues can lead to intermittent faults, making diagnosis challenging. Additionally, a malfunctioning Transmission Control Module, TCM, can also produce this trouble code by failing to process the sensor's readings correctly. Each of these issues contributes to the overall performance of the transmission, necessitating careful inspection to pinpoint the exact source of the malfunction. Symptoms associated with DTC P1841 can manifest in various ways. One of the most prevalent symptoms is erratic shifting behavior, especially when the vehicle is in reverse mode. Drivers may notice that the transmission hesitates or struggles to engage when backing up, which can pose potential safety risks. Additionally, the check engine light is likely to illuminate on the dashboard, serving as an alert to the driver that the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system has detected a fault. Some drivers might also experience a lack of response from the transmission when shifting into reverse, indicating communication problems between the CVT speed sensor and the TCM. Overall, these symptoms collectively underscore the importance of addressing the DTC promptly to ensure safe and effective vehicle operation. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P1841 involves safely raising the vehicle on a lift. It is imperative to ensure the vehicle is securely supported, allowing all four wheels to rotate freely. This step is essential for accurate testing conditions, as any resistance could affect the readings obtained during the diagnostic process. Once the vehicle is adequately secured, this preparation sets the stage for the next phase of testing. Properly lifting the vehicle not only ensures technician safety, but also prevents potential damage during inspection. Therefore, taking the time to execute this step correctly is foundational to effective diagnostics. In the second troubleshooting step for DTC P1841, the technician will start the engine and disable the Vehicle Stability Assist (VSA) system. Disabling the VSA is crucial as it can interfere with the transmission testing by adjusting tow and drive dynamics. Once the engine is running, the vehicle must be placed in reverse mode to ensure that the CVT speed sensor can be adequately assessed during this phase of testing. This setup is designed to replicate actual driving conditions, allowing the technician to capture accurate data from the CVT for assessment. Properly executing this protocol is essential for troubleshooting, since any anomalies detected at this stage could indicate a failure with the sensor or associated electronic components. In the third troubleshooting step, the technician must run the vehicle in reverse mode at a speed exceeding 19 miles per hour for a minimum duration of 5 seconds. This requirement is crucial, as it allows the CVT speed sensor to engage and respond to the operational conditions expected during reverse driving scenarios. By maintaining this speed, the test mirrors real-life circumstances, ensuring that the vehicle operates consistently with the manufacturer's design. Monitoring the reaction during this period provides insights into the speed sensor's performance. If any issues arise during this practice test, the parameters established will guide further diagnosis, either confirming a fault in the speed sensor or highlighting additional concerns with the system. The final step in troubleshooting involves confirming the HDS, Honda Diagnostic System, reading for the direction of the secondary shaft's rotation. The expected value during this test should indicate reverse. If any other value is displayed, this indicates a malfunction within the system, specifically pointing towards a failure with the CVT speed sensor or other related components. This confirmation is essential for diagnosing the source of the issue effectively. Hence, accurate interpretations of HDS data facilitate informed decisions regarding repairs. If the test shows abnormal values, further investigation is warranted to isolate whether the sensor itself is defective or if the TCM has a fault that needs addressing. Once appropriate repairs or replacements are performed, it's critical to recheck all connections related to the CVT speed sensor and TCM. This final verification step ensures that all electrical contacts are secure and free from corrosion or damage. After checking these connections, the technician should clear the DTC stored in the system using the HDS. Following this, a retest of the vehicle is necessary to ensure that it operates without triggering the DTC again. This step is crucial in verifying that the repairs address the underlying issue effectively. Confirming the sensor operates correctly post-repair assures the technician that the transmission's performance will be restored to expected standards. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in minimizing the chances of DTC P1841 reoccurring. Regular inspections of the CVT speed sensor and its wiring can prevent faults from developing over time. Technicians should also ensure electrical connections remain tight and clean, as corrosion or loose wires can lead to erratic sensor behavior. Additionally, monitoring the transmission's performance during routine vehicle servicing is essential. This consistent approach can flag potential issues before they culminate in a fault, saving time and costs on repairs. Proactively maintaining these components helps ensure reliable operation and longevity of the vehicle's transmission system. In summary, understanding the function and significance of the CVT speed sensor is paramount when dealing with DTC P1841. Accurate readings from this sensor are crucial for optimal transmission performance. especially when the vehicle is in reverse. If discrepancies arise, as indicated by this code, prompt diagnostics and repairs are essential. Regular diagnostics serve not only to troubleshoot existing codes, but also to preemptively address potential issues before they escalate into more significant problems. Adopting a proactive maintenance regimen alongside thorough diagnostics ensures that the vehicle's transmission system operates efficiently and safely over its lifespan. Addressing these aspects effectively restores driver confidence in the performance of their Honda CR-V. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.